hot on couples going together on Big Boss? You think it's a wrong
यार
idea?
मुझे थोड़ा डर ही लगता है ये ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज जब रोहित और मैं नच के लिए गए थे तो काफ़ी चीज़ें डिफ़िकल्ट थी हम दोनों के लिए, बिकॉज हमारा वर्किंग स्टाइल बहुत अलग था, हमारा अप्रोच अलग था. So I'm here to work for Beti Foundation. It is an initiative by Anu Ranjan and Shashi Ranjan. That's where ये हमारे खतरों के खिलाड़ी का ट्रम्प कार्ड हुआ करता था.
ये तो वही है. Now I remember.
है ना?
आना.
आना.
नहीं पता आपको. Very good. How are you doing? Looking nice.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग. आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं की है, सो हियर्स अ लिटिल रिकैप.
Third body, just keep walking. Third body join, fourth body join. Just go slow. Just you are stuck together. So that you get that same. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10 cluster. Turn. Yeah. Yes. And cluster clear exit. And stand as if you are not. I don't mind, but the other. One left, one right, one left, one right, one left, one right, one left. Keep following me.
So basically मैं कल आई थी ट्रायल्स के लिए यहाँ पे, and I was wearing this beautiful black outfit which was like a very royal regal looking lehenga. And then आज जब मैं चल के वापस आई, so I was told that my entire outfit has been changed because the choreographer Shai, he's worked with me earlier and he knows that I was a part of Miss India. It's a part of Miss India. So that's why he said that we need to give her something which will really work for her. So now I've been given this beautiful white fusion lehenga, and it's extremely heavy, and it has these really interesting shoes and everything to it. So I am looking forward to wearing it. So I'm just going to do my eyes very dramatically brown because we are on ramp. And once I'm done with my eyes, then we are going to get into hair, and the hair is going to be all curled up and put up. अब इस length में वो achieve करना can get a little tricky, but we are going to try nonetheless. So yeah, let's see how that goes out. और मेरे पास literally 1 घंटा है शायद.
Section clip. Do you have section clips with
1 hour to get ready, and you can see the chaos. There are a total of 80 artists today walking the ramp. There are a total of 2 designers. So 40 का pool बना हुआ है, and yeah, it's madness. पूरा messy. So आप पूरे मेरे बाल curl करो, छोटे को curl करो, and then put it up. I'll give you the reference. Start curling mine. Makeup is done, hair is almost done. आधे घंटे में तो हम रेडी नहीं हुए. जो मैंने 1 घंटे का एस्टिमेट पकड़ा था, आई थिंक उसको कंप्लीट होने में 15 मिनट है अभी बाकी. ब्लश ज़्यादा लग गया क्या? कम करूँ ब्लश? सेटल हो जाएगा.
सेटल हो जाएगा
है ना?
पसीना होगा.
मैम पानी से
मैंने पी लिया, थैंक यू. Yeah, so once the hair is done, then I will get into that outfit, and I'm very scared because that outfit is very heavy. Like the lehenga itself must be around 7 to 8 kilos, and then I don't know how long I'll have to wait in that outfit. So I think last minute मैं उस outfit में घुसूँगी. But knowing me, I like to be completely prepared. मुझे पता है मैं कुछ पौना घंटा बैठ के क्रिप करूँगी कि मैंने इतनी जल्दी क्यों पहन लिया. बट हाँ, पहन लूँगी मैं. I hope Rohit comes. Ow, sorry. It's okay.
2 hours later.
Let's change.
Give me a nice hair shot also.
My hair shot, I have no idea But I think I look nice.
Hi, Honey Thing. To see you. Yeah,
I'm in the wrong group
but the
then.
fashion sense is all right here.
Yes, that it,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
it
You
is.
just follow, I mean, check my show. I'm the opening guy.
I don't know how I'll do that though. I'll be backstage.
No, I think you all have to sit there, is it? Or you'll be backstage. So if you get the
I'll
chance,
catch it online.
take care.
I'm in the wrong group.
Everyone is in the wrong.
Everyone is in the stage.
So let's continue.
This is the right room. हाँ छोड़ मेरे कपड़े कहाँ हैं? वो लटक रहा है ना कुछ वो मेरे
I'm helping you.
Give me my clothes. I'm ready to change.
There's a lot of light over there.
I understand. I'm here. Call me whenever.
Yes.
What's your name?
Bhumika.
Nice to meet you, Bhumika. I'm Aishwarya. Lovely to meet
Hello,
खतरों के खिलाड़ी का ट्रम्प कार्ड हुआ करता था। I actually met him on this 2016, 10 years back.
हम लोग अपोजिट टीम में थे बट ठीक है.
We always cheered for him because he was bloody good with his stunts. Good days, good days. And we all actually felt bad when he got eliminated. फिर कुछ टाइम बाद में भी eliminated.
कभी कीड़ा कभी कीड़ा.
क्यों किया हमने वो सीजन?
क्यों हुआ वो सीजन?
वो एक्चुअली वो सीजन क्यों हुआ?
जो हुआ
सही हुआ. अब तो हो गया. Mentally I'm very strong. I can take a lot of shit. और फिर मैं बाथरूम में जाके रो. ऐसे कैसे बात की मुझसे? Because
But what do you think about Rohit Saif? He was.
what? If Rohit, I think he'll kill it.
है ना? Even
I think
we
he'll kill it.
It's hot on couples going together on Big Boss. You think it's a wrong
यार
idea?
मुझे थोड़ा डर ही लगता है ये ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज जब रोहित और मैं नच के लिए गए थे तो काफ़ी चीज़ें डिफ़िकल्ट थी हम दोनों के लिए बिकॉज हमारा वर्किंग स्टाइल बहुत अलग था, हमारा अप्रोच अलग था. तो बिग बॉस में इट्स अ डबल एज स्वॉर्ड. इट्स लाइक यू हैव योर सपोर्ट येट यू विल बी पिच्ड अगेंस्ट योर ओन पार्टनर एंड देन हाउ डू यू टेक अ स्टैंड. ज़बरदस्ती कि अनइनवाइटेड इश्यूज अगर लाइफ में चाहिए तो डू दैट. सोलो जाते हो तो एटलीस्ट यू जस्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर सेल्फ.
But do you if this comes up, do you feel you will do it?
Never say never. But I don't know, I will need therapy post that for a very long time to come. For sure.
Post or pre also? you
Both.
need?
Both. Pre तो चल ही रही है. Post तो और लगेगी.
But inside the house you'll have a lot of subjects also, no?
हाँ, point. Good case studies will be there. Definitely. But like. See you after the change, guys. How you're looking. Alright, so I'm here to work for Beti Foundation. It is an initiative by Anuranjan and Shashi Ranjan. I have been a part of many of such occasions and I think I took a long break to come back. But I'm very happy because this is all about talking about the girl empowerment that our country much needs. And it's a charity walk and so I think the entire industry has come together to support the cause. And I feel very humbled and it's a very noble cause. So all the best. Jewelry makes such a difference, no? I was wearing that, it looked very different. चलो शुरू करो. अब मैं थक गई already. Let's begin. It's 2.
तो
मैं देखा ना
ऊपर
Sorry.
ये तो बहुत अच्छा है।
I was supposed to wear like a black yesterday. और set अपने उसके हिसाब से
Come. Say we are coming out.
takes me back to my Ahana.
Say we are coming out.
Tripti used to try all this on me. I used to look forward to my outfits. One of the best stylists that I've had who allowed me to तो usually don't used to मैं पीऊँ कैसे भी तो ये अलग मेरे
हाँ ये तो वही है। Now I remember.
है ना
आना नहीं पड़ता।
I had so much fun. बड़े मजे आए
ऐसे पकड़ लो। Very good. How are you doing? Looking nice.
यस हाँ बीवी आज चलने वाली है फ्री विद बेटी बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ बेटी को स्कूटी में ब्रेक लगाना भी सिखाओ इंडिकेटर बताना भी सिखाओ लेफ्ट इंडिकेटर देके राइट मुड़ती है बेटी
nostalgia for me because I started my career with modeling and it's been a while since I've walked around. So the experience has also making me very, very nervous. But the fact that the outfit that I'm wearing is so freaking hot that half my nervousness is kind of settled because of that. I think I look like $1,000,000. Thank you, Tina, for doing that.
And I just want to tell you a little bit about Beti. I think the AV quite explained it all. It's just that I feel that the girls, you guys, all our friends are making these donations to, is helping a lot of them improve their lives.
It's very heavy. Heavy? Yeah. You're comfortable.